Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So latest on the transfer news, Orlando Pirates ivuke neindaba namhlanje eyisheqisayo. Orlando Pirates have announced their new coach uAdeb Slam. Adeb Slam ucoach lo becoach iMarumo Gallants. So we all thought Orlando Pirates izo-appoint abani uRolani Mkwena, but ke uRolani Mkwena it seems like ideal yakhe ayisebenzanga. Ideal yakhe neOrlando Pirates ayisebenzanga. Orlando Pirates ichoose bani ichoose lo coach lo ubecoach iMarumo Gallants. Angifuna uqama mina ngokwami bengitsho le deal le isi-concluded. Sonke besitshela ukuthi uRolani Mkwena is the new head coach of Orlando Pirates. But again, this was a last minute decision that was taken by the club. If you remember, Rulani Mkwena wanted his own technical team. He didn't want uMandla Ncikazi and the technical team maybe ikhona ku-Orlando Pirates. He wanted to bring his own technical team ezokwazi ukuyicontroller leya management ye-Orlando Pirates. But again, Orlando Pirates decide ukuthi cha, asikwazi ukuvumela wenze lokho. They decided to announce ucoach omusha uku-Adel Samba fethu. Uyena coach uzoyicoach Orlando Pirates. Kulabo bebengamthanda uRolani Mkwena, I'm sure ba happy right now because baningi abantu, maningi ama-fans abengamthanda uRolani, maningi ama-fans abengamthanda, but ke right now sino coach right now, CV yakhe ayiphatheki CV yakhe because mase siyi-check CV yakhe yena ama-team aseka wacoacha before iMarumo Gallants because iMarumo Gallants yam-appointa back in March 2025. Wase before iMarumo wayecoach i-AS Vita Club yala e-Africa. iLotto FC angiyazi ke yakephi, angiyazi mhlambe singabuza la kuma comments ngangitshela ukuthi yakephi mase sibheka la iMoldia angiyazi naye yakephi mase assistant coach we-Algeria assistant coach e-Algeria back in 2020. So yena umjida mfethu unalo ibhola continental football uyayazi because wayecoacha i-club yase-Algeria, so he have managed ama-stars amakhulu abo Marhez yakwazi ukusebenzisana nawo badlala bakanjalo. So singasho ukuthi yena unayo iCV ethe ukuphatheka but engaqinile ngaleyo ndlela. Ayiqinile ngaleyo ndlela iCV yakhe because mase ubheke sekwasebenzisana abafana abancane kwi-AS Nancy Club lapho khona youth coach back in 2018 2019 back in 2014 2015. So yena umjida uyakwazi ukusebenzisana abafana abancane, which is very good for Orlando Pirates right now because we need ucoach ozokwazi ukusisiza. Because we've been praying for ucoach ozokwazi ukufika kwi-club akwazi ukuthatha kwintambo zika Jose Rivera because uJose Rivera ubesebenzisa kakhulu abafana abancane. He relied on abafana abancane because he knew ukuthi yibona abayi-future Orlando Pirates. So imthandazo yethu ngathi iphendulekile la simtholela ucoach okwazi ukusebenzisa abafana abancane yabo. Regarding his technical team, I think Orlando Pirates ibonile la ukuthi uRolani mefika ne-technical team yakhe Orlando Pirates asikwazi ukuthi sikwazi mhlawumbe ukuba manage because nyazi bafethu i-technical team uRolani usuka kwi-Sundowns. I don't think lawo bantu laba bafika babe cheap. I don't think it's cheap to get i-technical team uRolani eyedwa nje uyabiza uRolani eyedwa ukumanage yedwa uRolani that cost a lot. So ngokwami iyona into evile mhlambi eyadala uqhekeko between i-management noRolani Mkwena because he wanted his own technical team abazokwazi ukumsiza, bakwazi ukuthi i-team idlala kanjani ama-analyst abazokwazi because mase ubheke la assistant coach uMandla Ncikazi thina sizwe ukuthi uzohamba nekufika uRolani Mkwena. But ke uMandla ke mhlawumbe uhambile waqhuma or something. Ryan Jacobs naye uzosiza lapha mase kuba uTyron Diamonds goalkeeper coach, mase kuba uHelmi Goldish lo semaziyo bafethu we-strength and conditioning coach samlandela kuyanga. So iyona technical team le ayishintshanga, ucoach kuphela ufikile omusha uyabo. Nothing has changed ku-Orlando Pirates, only the coach. So Orlando Pirates ibone kungcono ukuthi okay, njoba uRolani efuna technical team yakhe asikwazi kuba afford, why don't we take ucoach ozofika afike angene ongenazi into eningi because naye vele ufike kwiMarumo Gallants lo coach engafikanga ne-technical team yakhe. Uyifikele nje kwiMarumo Gallants wakwazi ukuyicoacha kahle iMarumo Gallants without any technical team afika nayo. So coach nje uRolani Mkwena requires a lot, kumele ukwazi ummanager. So i-Pirates bafethu isithathile isinqumo namhlanje. Ungangitshela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani ngalo coach lo, uzizwa kanjani? Ingabe uhappy? Ingabe mhlambe ungangitshela ama-comments, but for me I'm not happy guys, I'm not happy. But yeah, at the end of the day the institution takes the decision. We are as fans akuthini sithatha ama-decision as fans, asikhali kakhulu, kumele ukuthobela umyalelo othathwe yi-technical team. Yabo, as a country we are very shocked because we all thought Rulani Mokoena was going to be the coach, but again, you must accept. Angela Mokomen's Buffett Vanilo. I'm sorry again. I thought Rulani Mokoena was going to be the coach, but again, the decision was made today. Early in the morning, I saw the news and hey.